How to turn off and disable passcode on Dropbox. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to disable passcode on Dropbox. First thing, go to Dropbox. As you can see, this is the home page. Now let's say that you want to disable the passcode. Go to the top corner, click on those three lines. Now click down here on settings, and after you click on settings, all what you have to do now is easy. All what you have to do is scroll down, click on configure passcode right here. After you click on it, now click on here and your passcode will be turned off. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you later. Thank you so much.